WASSCE 2021 question number 11b, and this one circle theorem, very easy. Now there's the diagram that we have here. You have been told in the diagram PQ touches the circle MNOP at P, MNOP at P, and then because it is touching it at a point, PQ becomes a tangent. Now we are being told that NP is a diameter, so this NP is a diameter. Now MPQ is 33, MPQ is 33 degrees, and then MPO is 67. That is PMO, the angle here is 67. We want to find M and O, and that's what I've done. I've drawn here so you can redraw it. Now we want to find, the first one says you find M and O. We want to find M and O. So how can we find it? Now OP is a chord, and we know that the angle a chord makes at the circumference in the same segment are equal. Because of that, OP is making an angle of 67 degrees at M. The same OP is also making an angle at N. So if this is 67 degrees, the angle here is also 67 degrees. Why? The angle a chord makes at the circumference in the same segment are equal. So if this is 67, this is also 67. We also know that the angle a chord and the tangent makes is equal to the angle the chord makes in the alternate segment. Now PQ is a tangent, and this is making an angle, that is the chord is MP, and it is making an angle of what? 33 degrees. So the angle the chord makes in the alternate segment will be the angle here, this angle here will be equal to what? The angle here. So this is also 33 degrees. Why are we saying that? We are saying that the property says the angle a chord and a tangent makes is equal to the angle the chord makes in the alternate segment. Now this chord is making an angle at the minor segment, but then the alternate one is the major segment. So if there's 33, the angle here is also 33. Therefore, that is our angle MNO is just 67 degrees plus 33 degrees, and this is just 100 degrees. That's very easy. We use two properties. The angle a chord makes at the circumference in the same segment are equal, and then we also use the angle a chord and the tangent makes equal to what? The angle the chord makes in the alternate segment. So this is equal to 100 degrees. That's the first one. Now let's see the second one. We want to find angle MPO. That is angle MPO. We want to find the angles over here. Now we're told that NP is a diameter, and we know that the angle a diameter makes at the circumference is 90 degrees. So clearly, because NP is a diameter, so since NP is a diameter, this implies that that is angle NMP is equal to 90 degrees. So the angle here plus the angle here is equal to what? 90 degrees. So you can say that angle, that is NMO plus 67 degrees, this is equal to 90 degrees. The angle a diameter makes at the circumference is 90 degrees. So clearly our angle NMO equal to 90 degrees minus 67 degrees. Now 90 degrees minus 67 degrees, and this is just 23 degrees. So it means that the angle here is 23 degrees. Now NO is a chord. The angle a chord makes at the circumference in the same segment are equal. So if this is 23, can you see NO is a chord, and this NO is making an angle at M. The same NO is making an angle at P. So if this is 23, the angle here is also 23 degrees. And then, so clearly, you can say that since NO is a chord, this implies that that is angle NMO is the same as angle NPO, and this is just 23 degrees. Now we want the angle over here. We want the angle over here. How can you get the angle over there? We know NP is a chord. This is a tangent. The angle, no, NP is a diameter. NP is a diameter, and this is a tangent. The angle, a diameter, and a chord, and a tangent makes is equal to 90 degrees. That is the angle, a chord or a radius. The angle, a radius or diameter makes with a tangent is 90 degrees. The angle a radius stroke diameter makes with a tangent is 90 degrees. So it means that this angle plus this angle should be equal to 90. So this implies that that is angle NPM plus 33 degrees. This is equal to 90 degrees. So clearly angle NPM is equal to 90 degrees minus 33 degrees. And 90 minus 30, that's 60. So this is just 57 degrees. What are we looking for? The we should look for MPO. MPO. Therefore, angle MPO, that is MPO, that's 23 plus 57. So that's 23 plus 57, and this is just 80 degrees. That's very, very easy. So the angle, a tangent, and a diameter radius make is equal to 90 degrees. So we use basically three properties. The first one that we use, the angle a chord makes in the same segment at the circumference are the same. And then we also use that the angle a diameter makes at the circumference is 90 degrees. We also use the angle a chord and the tangent makes go to the angle the chord makes in the alternate segment. That is very, very easy. Now for a complete lesson on WASSCE syllables, all the topics, please get in touch with me. Call the numbers right now for a copy. The pen drive contains wonderful lessons. Get the textbooks as well, and mathematics would be a thing of the you never feel, you never be afraid of maths. You go to the examination hall with confidence because we've solved very, very tough questions. Call the numbers that you are seeing on the screen. I don't know any challenge that you have in math, but when you get this product, math becomes very, very, very easy to you. It contains precise and concise lessons, that is video tutorials, both further mathematics and then core or general mathematics. Call the numbers on your screen right now. Don't forget, mathematics is a spectator sport. Get the product, get the books, and maths will be very, very easy for you. Go through all the examples that I've done on the tutorials, that is on the pen drive, and I'm telling you, enter into any examination hall with confidence, because you know that there wouldn't be any question given to you that you wouldn't be able to solve. Let's consider the next question.